मुझे जंजीरों में जकड़ सकते हैं, यातना दे सकते हैं, इस शरीर को नष्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप कभी मेरे विचारों को कैद नहीं कर सकते।
Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. We are celebrating 152 years of Mahatma Gandhi today. महात्मा गांधी, जिन्हें हम प्यार से बापू बुलाते हैं, he was a great soul. Let's celebrate his birthday today by remembering him and his great deeds. बापू का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। बापू का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर पोरबंदर, गुजरात में हुआ था। बापू के पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी था। उनकी माता पुतलीबाई और उनकी वाइफ, उनकी धर्मपत्नी कस्तूरबा गांधी थी। महात्मा गांधी was a great freedom fighter who devoted his whole life for India's independence. Gandhi ji was a lawyer, a social activist, and a political, spiritual leader. We still remember the principles of Bapu. Those are non-violence, truthfulness, cleanliness, fasting, and universal brotherhood. Gandhi ji was a leader of India's non-violent independence movement against British rule. He strongly believed that non-violence is a weapon of the strong. He led nationwide campaigns to ease poverty, end untouchability, expand women's rights, build religious and ethnic amity. गांधी जी के 3 बंदर। बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत बोलो और बुरा मत सुनो। Say no evil, hear no evil, and see no evil. यह चरखा आत्मनिर्भर भारत का प्रतीक है। गांधी जी स्वदेशी चीजें अपनाने को कहते थे। He boycotted the use of British clothes. He made people realize the value of charkha, and he used to produce his own clothes. Soon, this charkha became the symbol of Indian independence. Famous slogans of Mahatma Gandhi: Do or die. Britishers leave India. The rich must live simpler so that poor may simply live. You must be the change you want to see in the world. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. We will always remember Bapu and his teachings. After few years of independence, the independent India faced various inside problems like poverty, unemployment, rehabilitation of people, harmony, and so on. And one more leader emerged who brought a huge revolution in the country. And he was Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. Fortunately, today is this great leader's birthday. That is 2nd October. Shastri Ji was born in Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh. Shastriji was an Indian politician. He was our second Prime Minister. He promoted the White Revolution, a national campaign to increase the production of milk. He gave a famous slogan to the country, that is Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Today, we feel very happy to celebrate two great leaders' birthday. Let's learn from their lives and make India a better country, a better place. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for watching this video.